The OAUW USB portable CD player is a compact external drive that lets car owners bring their existing disc collection back to life through modern Android dashboard systems. Installation is straightforward because it draws power directly from the vehicle's universal serial bus port and works without extra drivers or a separate power adapter. Playback remains stable even when the car is moving over rough roads, thanks to its advanced error correction, shock resistance, and noise reduction design. The unit integrates smoothly with many Android car head units by appearing as a universal serial bus storage source, so music and spoken word discs show up clearly on the navigation screen. Beyond in-car use, the drive also serves as a versatile external optical reader for Android televisions, Windows computers, and macOS machines, handling both compact disc and digital versatile disc formats. Overall, it is a practical choice for drivers and households who still value physical media and want a simple plug-and-play way to enjoy discs without cluttering the dashboard.